In this video, you'll learn how to deploy your backend on Firebase in just a few minutes, using cloud functions to run your server-side code without managing any servers. First, go to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Open your Firebase console, select your project, or click Add Project to create a new one from scratch in under a minute. Next, install the Firebase CLI on your computer by opening your terminal and running npm install g firebase tools. Then type Firebase login to connect your Google account directly from the command line. Now, navigate to your project folder and run Firebase init functions. Choose your Firebase project, select JavaScript or TypeScript, and let Firebase install all the dependencies you need to start building your backend. After that, open the functions folder and write your backend logic inside index.js. You can create APIs, handle authentication, process payments, or connect to Firestore, all running on Google's serverless infrastructure. Once your code is ready, simply run Firebase deploy. Only functions. Within seconds, Firebase uploads your backend and gives you live endpoints with free SSL, auto-scaling, and global performance built in. Finally, test your functions by visiting the generated URLs or calling them directly from your app using the Firebase SDK. And that's it. Your backend is now deployed on Firebase. Fast, secure, and ready to power your app at any scale.